Defrosted. We walked the boardwalk. It was a pretty short walk, actually. We did a whole loop.
Maybe half a mile or something.
Yeah, it was quite short, but it's okay because we kind of got cold. Our hands got really cold.
Yeah, especially yours.
Yeah, because I was trying to film.
Right.
And my hands got soaking wet and it's freezing out, but no, it was worth it though because it was so pretty here. I definitely want to come back in the summer.
The snow, it just started snowing. It was crazy. It was
beautiful. But now we're gonna head up to one more park before we go back to the hotel, and it's Pratts Falls Park, and I think it's just a waterfall.
Yeah, up in Pompeii. Yeah, I think it's just a tall waterfall. I don't know. I think we might have to pay for parking at that one. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. But it was cheap. I think it was only a few dollars or something.
Yeah, we'll go check it out. All these ones that we've been to today so far, we haven't had to pay for parking, which is nice.
Yeah.
I mean, it is off season probably.
Yeah.
So that helps.
Middle of winter, yeah.
Just because it's November and cold, and even into February, these cold winter months don't mean you can't go outside and do fun stuff like this, because we're having a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's been an adventure today.
Just dress warm and you'll be fine.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, let's go check out the falls and then get spruced up back at the hotel.
All right.
And then we can check out the 6-decker shopping mall.
Oh, God. All right, let's go, guys. See you at Pratts Falls. Gonna have to wait.
Can't see.
Yeah, we can't see anything. I gotta wait for the windshield to defrost.
It's so funny because I mean, it's been kind of sprinkling all day, but I didn't think it was cold enough to snow.
I know, it's crazy.
I didn't feel cold.
Well, I mean, according to the car, it's 37 out, so. But it just must be cold.
Must not be accurate. Park. So far, it's just a paved road surrounded by some trees.
Good news. We didn't have to pay to park because the park is closed. So we had to park at the very entrance where parking is free because it's just on the road basically.
We found a little pond. I think this is a pond.
Kind of marshy looking.
Yeah, it's pretty. Oh, it's definitely a pond.
When lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes, so it's
That's so scary! Look at that. What are your thoughts?
It's an awful lot like water falling over a cliff.
So our GoPro, which is we're using because it's waterproof, it has perished while we were on our walk.
It was sacrificed to the waterfall.
No, it wasn't. It just died. Oh. So we didn't film a lot here, but the waterfall is really pretty. It was so tall. Like, that was a high waterfall.
Mm-hmm. It's like 170 feet or something like that, wow. I think, if I remember correctly.
It was really cool. And we also noticed there's a lot of, like, I don't know, there's some type of coniferous tree here. And the needles on the tree are yellow, which is really cool because I've never, I mean, not that I know a lot about trees, but I've never seen
not
like
ever
a pine
noticed
tree
it,
like
you know?
that.
Or maybe
Yeah.
they just haven't seen a lot of them, so you never really picked up on it.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to look up what those are, but they're really pretty.
Yeah.
But now we're gonna head home and dry off.
Yeah.
We're really wet, but visited a lot of cool places today.
Yeah, like 4 parks or
Yeah.
5 parks or something like that.
Yeah, it was
So-
fun. It was really fun.
Yeah, it was really nice getting back out in nature and stuff and
I know.
just having a good day. And now we'll go home and then go to the mall
to
and
the
get some
mall.
delicious food.
Yeah, we haven't really eaten anything today other than some yogurt, and you ate that gross cottage cheese.
Yeah, that cottage
And we
cheese
had
this
some
morning was not
granola,
the best.
so we'd like to have a proper meal.
Yeah. It'll be nice to get some dinner, some proper dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's head back to the hotel. How long is it gonna take?
Half an hour.
Okay.
It's perfect. All right, talk to you guys soon.
We have made it back to the hotel and we freshened up a little bit, took a hot shower because it was quite cold. And so I thought that now we would do a little quick tour of our hotel room. I almost said apartment, our hotel room. So let's start. Hello.
Hello. Welcome to my abode. This is it. Come on in. We have a bed, and we have a chair with a futon, or not a futon, an ottoman, and a dresser. And if you look over here, we have a work desk, and we have a TV. We've got our little mini
Oh, I didn't even
fridge.
realize we had a TV.
Yeah.
A mini fridge.
And a mirror, and another mirror's over there. And if you look over here, we have a closet, there's a safe, and there's an iron, and an ironing board. Yeah. And then we have a bathroom over here. This is where our shower is, and our toilet, and our sink. Yeah. And our ring mirror thing. I don't know exactly what those
I
are
don't
called.
know. A mirror? I don't know.
Well, it's definitely a mirror.
I don't know what this is, but it's cool. It's really nice for doing makeup. So that was our hotel room tour.
Yeah, it's an extensive hotel room.
The only downside to this hotel room, the only thing I don't like, is that this is our only window. And it's like, it's not a proper window and it's quite small. But other than that, it's really nice. Nice.
Yeah, it does the job.
All right, we're gonna head to the mall now. Hopefully, if we could find it. Do you know where it is?
No. I
We
don't
gotta
know.
look where it is, but
I
then
have
we're
no
gonna
idea,
go there.
actually.
Hopefully it's not too far away.
Yeah.
I don't think it is. It's in Syracuse and that's where we are, so. Andrew put in his contact lenses. It was really funny to watch. Now he's inspecting them in his eye.
I should get colored ones. I could get red ones.
Oh no, that would be so scary.
I'd be like a demon.
All alone again tonight, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. Wondering how it could go so wrong, but you didn't call for help. But let me tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected.
Okay, first impressions.
It's huge.
It does look really big. I'm just confused because it doesn't look like it's 6 stories, so I'm thinking perhaps they're underground. I don't know.
It's like a
But like
bunker.
what am I trying to say? This way it's big. This way it's not. Height-wise, it's not big. But this way. What is this way?
Horizontal?
Lengthwise? It's
Yeah,
big.
I guess.
It just seems like a weird thing to say. Either way, it's not super tall, so I don't know, but oh, there's a Santa guy.
I know.
So I guess we should go inside. I could
Yep.
get my mask, actually. mask, my phone, my wallets. Let's go to the mall.
Upon further investigation, it turns out that the mall is quite large. We've made it to Panera Bread, but I don't know if we'll ever make it back out. Okay, camera. It's just you and me now. And Sarah in the background. So we came back from the big old mall. We've been kind of vegetating, just recouping our energy from the mall and all the energy it took to walk around it because it was so large. And now we've been in the hotel room just kind of resting for a little while. Now we're gonna go to Phoebe's. It is a coffee bar and lounge, and we can get dessert items with coffee there. So we're gonna go check it out and see how it is. Let's go check out what they have to offer.
Guys, it is about 7:30 on Sunday morning. I'm just getting ready, and then I think Andrew and I are gonna go to breakfast before we check out of the hotel. And we found this place, well, Andrew found this place that has the longest menu I have ever seen. There was like pages and pages of breakfast food, so we're super excited to go there. I'm just gonna get ready real quick and then I'll show you guys the menu.